Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about exit animations in frame of motion. So as you can see on the screen, I have this button and I have this container above. When I click on this, the container above disappears while animating. We're going to create this effect such that when we toggle this button, the container above disappears, but it animates before disappearing, and when it reappears, it animates. So let's see how to do that. So I have removed the code. Now we can start from scratch. As you can see, when I toggle on this button, the container disappears abruptly. Now let's see how to animate this using exit animations in frame of motion. So here I'm going to import motion from motion/react. From motion/react, and I'm going to make this container as a motion div like this. I'm going to give it an animate prop. Inside that, I'm going to set the opacity to 1 and scale to 1. Let me save this. Let's see if something happened. As you can see, nothing happened. It's working as it was. Let me also give an initial prop, opacity 0 and a scale of 0. Let me save it, refresh this. On the first mount, the container animates because of the initial prop that we gave. Let's toggle this. As you can see, when the component is taken off from the DOM, it doesn't animate. That's what we have to work on. But if I click on show now, it animates because of the initial prop. Now let's see how to animate it while it exits the DOM. So for that, we need to provide the exit prop here, and inside that, we're going to set the scale and opacity to 0 as well. Let me copy paste this, save it. If I refresh, when I toggle, nothing happens. So it animates when it's visible, but when I take it off from the DOM, it doesn't animate, even though I provided the exit prop. So why is that? Exit animations work inside a wrapper provided by Framer Motion or Motion that's called AnimatePresence. Basically, to make the exit animations work, we need to wrap the component that mounts and unmounts into this component called AnimatePresence. Let me save this now and refresh this. Now if I click on this, it animates smoothly, and if I click on show, it animates as well. So the element animates when it exits the DOM and when it enters the DOM as well. Now we have a small issue here. If I refresh here, it animates on the initial render as well. So to hide this initial effect on the first mount, when the component first mounts, that is this exit animation component, we can provide a prop to the animate presence component, that is initial set to false. If we do that and save it, you can see it doesn't animate now. If I refresh the entire page, the container doesn't animate, but if I toggle, it animates on exit and on enter. So that's how enter and exit animations work in frame of motion or motion react. Uh, the enter animations are controlled by the initial prop, and the exit animations are controlled by the exit prop. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.